Guys, everyone, our announcement to Mama.
वीडियो तो शुरू कर
She is.
वीडियो तो शुरू करने दो अम्मा.
It is it rolling? अभी रोल कर रहे हैं?
नहीं.
Can I complain first? No.
Don't complain. It's not even a legit complaint.
It is. ये सब देख ले कि इतना बेतहाश मुझे इसने सामान ले दिया है और महीने बाद जब मैं साथ बैठती हूँ तो सब चीजें नई हैं ऊपर और यहाँ सब पुरानी है. इसमें से एक चीज जो
How do you know it's for you?
एक चीज मुझे मेरे पास नहीं है. आप देख ले मेरा सामान नताशा का सामान.
This is not even like 2% of my products. ये तो थोड़े से products हैं.
They don't match nonetheless.
Your skincare, I haven't taught you.
No.
So you think my skin is glowing, but I've never taught you that.
Never.
And I only have taught halal.
Yes.
So listen to me. Mom, I have told you step by step, and you telling me that I have not.
Don't you post this on Instagram?
I am. Mom, I have not taught you how to have glowing skin.
The video of I am not going to make any comments. You never teach me. You never spend time with me. No.
I never
Very
spent time with you.
upsetting.
We live together.
All the creams and the machines that you use, you never show them to me.
Mom, that is such a lie. Why don't you join my skincare masterclass?
Yeah, I think I will eventually need to do that.
No, I will teach you, but will you learn? Will you?
Provided you teach me properly, make me lie down everything and tell me step by step what to do. You never.
But will you then
हर
follow?
बात को बोल कर देती है और सारी अच्छी स्किन अपनी कर लेती है.
No. Will you follow it if I teach you? Okay,
I
done. Mom, I made you buy everything, but then you don't use it.
When you were a child and you used to sleep, I used to put all these creams on your face.
When
you were younger.
like as if when I was 3 years old.
No, when you were 6, 7, 8, the raat ko sota, I used to put creams on your face after you would sleep.
Are you
Your hands and
emotionally
feet.
blackmailing?
Like I put on Noor's hands and feet now.
Are you emotionally blackmailing?
Yes, I am. So do
Mama's-
something for your mama.
Mama, your
And
skin
mama's
is.
skin.
But I am saying I'll teach you, but you won't learn. So let's do a proper skincare video.
Done. I have to first make an announcement. ये मुझे सख्त धोखा दिया गया है. She said, Mama, we are making a video on our Korean products. We're going to show कैसे makeup उतारते हैं. And now that I'm sitting here, she tells me, Mama, I will sit and you will take everything off.
Because
not fair.
I can't. We've shot so much today, and I have more to shoot after this. And I think it'll be easier if Mom does it. And the reason why we're doing the video is that my mother's complaint is, we were at my daughter's school, and I put up a little video on my Instagram where she's complaining about the fact that I never tell her, as always, कि मैं मुंह पे क्या लगा रही हूँ.
I just want to show you something. These are my products which don't match with Natasha's
Mom,
products.
this is not even like 2% of my products. ये तो थोड़े से products हैं.
They don't match nonetheless.
जब मैं दुकान में होती हूँ अपनी अम्मी के साथ कि मम ले लें, शिवले नहीं मुझे नहीं चाहिए, मैं पहले ट्राई करूँ. और अभी भी अगर आपको पता हो तो ये जो प्रोडक्ट्स अम्मी के पास हैं भी, इनमें से भी 60% कभी इस्तेमाल नहीं होंगे. ये बिल्कुल खराब हो जाएंगे और फिर मैं इनको फेंक दूंगी.
Not true.
It's true. Okay. So what do we start? What's the first thing I've taught you recently that you really like?
The first thing that I do before I start anything is removing my eye makeup, and my favorite is Estee Lauder. I love Estee Lauder. It's kind of gentle eye makeup remover. I think it's really easy to use and takes most of my eye makeup off. And there's a trick that my sister has taught me. तो बजाय के मैं cotton bud के साथ उतारूं, first what I do is सबसे पहले मैं इसको Q-tip के साथ उतारती हूँ before I use the cotton pads. I'm going to quickly show it to you. Here we go. I dip it in. तो उससे क्या होता है कि जो स्पेशली जो eyelashes जो है मेरी या मस्कारा जो लगा होता है eyelashes से बहुत अच्छे तरीके से उतरता है. So my
ये टिप मैंने दी है तो ये
मैंने हालात
ये मैंने हारा की टिप है. मेरी नेक्स्ट है.
I really like this tip because इससे क्या होता है कि हमारी eyelashes हम कितना भी eye makeup remove करें, जो मस्कारा है वो रह जाता है और उतरता नहीं ठीक तरीके से. This takes care of the mascara पहले से.
इस पे अंदर एक बड है मम जो अंदर चली गई थी कभी वापस नहीं. I can see it. I know, but it's a funny thing to tell. It's a funny thing to say.
It just slipped from my hand one day.
Okay.
So what I do is, as you can see, I just take off my mascara like, you don't need to rub your eyes. ये इतना अच्छा साफ होता है बद के साथ हल्का हल्का सा. As you can see, बहुत अच्छा उतर रहा है ये. I'll show you. And once I do this, it breaks and वो थोड़ा loose हो जाता है. And now to remove this with the cotton pad.
And this is something.
Can you see?
Some of the other videos that
I just love this. Can you see कितनी smoothly आंख साफ हो रही है?
Plus, you shouldn't rub with
And
cotton too much.
And then I just put it like this, fold करके I just put it under my eye like this. और इतने अच्छे तरीके से साफ होता है because others I've seen कि अगर मैं cotton bud से साफ करूँ तो फैलता है. I have to keep on rubbing my eyes. Eventually वो मस्कारा जो है वो उतरता नहीं है. मुझे 3-4 बार यूज करनी पड़ती है. It's very difficult. So this is a very good tip that my sister taught me and it always works. Can you see my eyes? एक राउंड जो मैंने यूज किया है कॉटन टिप्स का और कॉटन बड्स का और एक जो है राउंड मैंने यूज किया है ये इसका. अब and can you see my eyes are clean now?
So what's the next step that I have introduced you, the product that currently you're removing the rest of your makeup with?
You introduced me to this oil.
So this is the Skin 1004 Centella Cleansing Oil. And I love it. It's a light cleansing oil. ये कोरियन स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट है जो मैं रेकमेंड भी करूंगी और बहुत सारी कंपनीज के उनके पास एक्चुअली डिफरेंट स्किन के अकॉर्डिंग टू भी हैं ऑयल्स, but this is one of my favorite ones right now and I introduced my mom to it and she was like wow my skin feels so soft.
मैंने कभी ऑयल यूज नहीं किया स्किन के लिए because I always thought कि इससे जो है मेकअप से उतरेगा नहीं, but Natasha has introduced me to this and I've been using it and I'm loving it.
It's the Skin 1004 Light Cleansing Oil by Centella Light Cleansing Oil. Ab Korean skincare is the latest buzzword. They have amazing products. I keep discovering new products और इनकी बहुत सारी companies हैं जो ये cleansing oils करते हैं. But अभी I love this one. मुझे अपने पे भी बहुत अच्छा result दिखा है और अम्मी पे भी. And mom also really started liking it. So do you wanna show? Yeah. How do we do? How I told you to do it, Momsy?
Sorry. Open it. Then you go like
And
this.
then I told her you have to massage it on your face for 2 to 3 minutes.
Yeah.
And once you've done massaging, आपने last जो 30 seconds to a minute है उसमें आपने emulsify करना है, which means कि आपने पानी add करना है और इसको अपने face पे अच्छी तरीके से rub करना है कि वो product अच्छी तरीके से उतरे भी and it'll get the best benefit. So don't try to just remove it, like go to the next step after doing this. You should emulsify it, which means कि पानी लेके आप अपने मुंह पे इसको जब emulsify करेंगे तो you will see कि जो oil है वो almost whitish सा एक liquid बन जाएगा. And that's like a good thing to do when removing your makeup. So this is a good time to really also फेस मसाज के लिए बहुत अच्छा टाइम होता है रात के वक्त जब आप मेकअप उतार रहे हो.
Actually मैंने कभी इतना अपना फेस मसाज नहीं किया. At night जब मैं अपना मेकअप उतारती हूँ I find this so relaxing because पहले था कि मैं फटाफट जो मतलब स्किन क्लेंजर निकाला और फटाफट वॉश कर लिया या whatever. This is so nice because Natasha has taught me to gently massage thoroughly for a couple of minutes before इसको emulsify करने के. तो I find it so soothing कि रात को मैं आराम से अपनी स्किन को जो है मसाज करती हूँ for 2-3 minutes. I keep on rubbing, all the dirt comes off. I love this process. It's very relaxing and you feel कि thoroughly एक pore से जो है वो मेकअप उतर चुका है. So I love this. So I'm going to show you how I emulsify now. Usually I will do this in the bathroom because we are doing a demonstration. We're doing it in front of you. So I've taken a bowl with water and you can see I'll dip my hands और इसको मैं.
And if you notice, it's becoming like this whitish.
So I should go थोड़ा सा. You see it on my hands also.
Yeah. And the idea is once she does this for a minute, just go and splash her face with water, remove all of it, and then go to the next step. Now you're going to put the tea milk skin.
So now she's introducing me to new products. As you see, we're not using my products.
So we're going to use this because I'm going to make her use the Radial Shot, which if you guys know Korean skincare, I want to see Mama's reaction when I make her use it. But this is what I would recommend because you're going to use something a little more, the word would be like harsher, I think. So then जो toner है वो हम ज़्यादा acidic. I don't believe in doing that because skin can react then. So I'm going to suggest right now that she uses the Tea Milk Skin. I really like this, बहुत hydrating सा essence toner है. So I'm go ahead and
Toner, right?
it's a toner.
With the cotton bud?
No, I put it on my hands and I kind of dab and like put it all on my skin.
Okay. Warm some.
Yeah, neck पे भी हाँ, neck पे भी करना.
I think I need
It's odd not doing the steps with you. I'm used to doing it together. Maybe I should have taken off my makeup alongside my mom, but I feel like I have nothing to do in this video. Now, the next thing I'm going to make her put on is currently one of my favorite जो hyperpigmentation के लिए dark spots के लिए जो मुझे Korean product बहुत पसंद है वो है Anua का niacinamide 10% plus TXA 4% serum. You have been using this because I can see बोतल में से थोड़ा सा liquid कम हुआ है. So I can tell what she's using just by because she'll tell because she's scared that I'm like Mama you're not using the products that I told you to use. तो फिर वो मुझे पता है कि ये थोड़ा बहुत इस्तेमाल हो रहा है every day.
I have so many products that alternate.
Okay.
Sasha, sure.
But it makes a huge difference. I've seen like a difference in
And Natasha's taught me to dab only.
Yeah. Dab because you have to kind of tap.
So as you can see, she's taught me to tap.
Neck also.
Only tap.
Neck also. Your neck also.
And she says tap it and just leave it. Dab it and leave it. Sorry.
And we keep changing it up. So like, I know a lot of people think it, even for me, our skincare, but this is now my older favorite. This is the Beauty by Josian ka jo niacinamide and propolis ka mixture tha, but I find the Anua to be stronger. It's better. But mom used to use that as well. I feel skincare should keep changing. एक तो products भी इतनी जल्दी नए आते हैं जो अच्छे भी होते हैं, and I feel like the skin it doesn't get used to a product. So that's why if you see my videos on my YouTube, you'll keep seeing new products, different routines. So this is just what I'm suggesting to her today because I'm going to make her use the Riedel shot, which is like resurfacing treatment, and I want to see her face when she uses it and tell me how she feels when she's at it. So Mama, this is the viral Riedel shot 300 Sika Riedel. Shot is ये 300 भी है और मेरे पास फिर 100 भी है. You're supposed to alternate these, so put the 100 one night, then I give it a break, I put the 300 and then I kind of repeat it like that. You have to put it in dots all over your face. So first just put dots, don't rub it, and then you rub it together. Okay. So I'm going to give you some of this. So I'm going to give her the 300 right now, and so basically what it does is it's like a skin smoothing cream. So your skin looks more even, gets smoother. Mom hasn't tried this one. So I'm going to make her try it and let's see on camera what she thinks this is like. So Mom, first just put like dots. Okay, don't rub it in. Okay. Yeah. I mean, on social media तो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा लगाते हैं. I feel like that's a bit much. जब मैंने इस तरह try किया तो I feel like my skin gets a little irritated.
Is it strong?
Let's put some more.
It's tingling. Oh, it's a lot.
So now, oh my God, I have to rub it.
Oh, skin is
So it's gonna feel like it uses it.
Oh,
I mean, rub it. Rub it. You have to rub it. This is not.
oh my God, it's already like
tingling and burning. And Martin, oh my God, it's burning. But does it feel like needles?
yes, it's needles burning.
It's like, does it feel like you're rubbing needles?
It's like it's like somebody's rubbing needles into my skin. I don't know if it was a good idea.
So it does actually.
Please, this should come with a warning.
So
beware.
sorry to give. I'm being mean. I didn't tell mom about this, but this is like. It feels like you. So the whole viral thing about it is that it make you feel like you're putting injections in your face.
It is.
It does. And by the way, जिसकी hardness है ये 300 है. इसका जो सबसे extreme formula है वो 900 पे जाता है. ठीक है? तो ये 300 भी I feel like it's a lot. Like अभी 900 वाली mom was so cute because she's like and this is a camera right now, so she's not slapping me. What are you giving?
This should come with a warning.
So it does apparently. I mean, it does come with a warning because you know that you're going to feel. I didn't give it to you.
Thanks for doing this to me.
That's it. So the way to use this, guys, I haven't used it consistently enough yet. But I was using it like on vacation a little more than I was here. I do feel like it made a difference, but consistently, I'll give a review after I've used it for longer. But up till now, I do like the product. And now right after this is like a punishment. Because this is like a harder product, then I like to nourish the skin, right? So now we're going to put on nice moisturizer. I really like the Road Ki Barrier Restore Cream. I actually really think it's actually one
I use it. I
one
use
of my
it at
favorite
times, yeah.
moisturizers of the moment right now. Oh, sorry. So I'm gonna first though give mom. So I use this in tandem. I use the Glazing Milk by Rode, which I love, and the Road Barrier Cream. So I feel like the skin requires more hydration after something like this. Be it retinol, AHA, BHA, anything that irritates the skin a little bit. Never should irritate. कि इतनी irritate नहीं करनी चाहिए कि skin red हो जाए. पर अगर थोड़ी बहुत भी irritation है, तो you want to then really like kind of layer on the hydration of the skin. So first, Monzu,
What
you're
are
gonna add the glazing milk. Yeah, rub, tap, that's fine. Tap, tap, tap.
I need this. I need this desperately.
You'll feel the difference.
Oh, cooler. It's cooling.
Yeah.
Still got bits and needles. Oh boy.
Okay. And now can I add this? Oh, is it really hurting you? It doesn't hurt me so much.
Still bits and needles.
It's been released. Okay, and now this.
I love this one. This I use at night. Oh. That's a lot of cream.
Layer. And now your neck also. Always the neck, guys. So everybody forgets that your neck is connected to your face and also your chest. So when you're doing the product, take it all the way till here. So and you can put the residual product जो बच जाता है वो अपने हाथों में भी लगा सकते हैं. Try to really take it wherever you can around the face and neck. How does that feel now?
Soothing.
Soothing?
Yeah. I love this one. This is lovely. I really love this one.
It's nice.
I use it at night, yeah.
And then
I love
as a final kind of layer before she will sleep, because we were doing, like I said, this is just one particular routine I would do with some Korean skincare, is that we would add, and this is not Korean, because some of the products weren't Korean and I used some that we liked. But you're going to use this, and this is one of my favorite products to get. It's the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B5. It's like a barrier repair cream. I always have one of these because whenever I apply actives, sometimes my skin can get very irritated. So I was using this one, which is the Lotion P50 by Biologique Recherche. I don't know if I'm saying it right. But this is again another one of those exfoliating treatments that is like world famous. But my skin immediately got very red and like dry. So this is my rescue cream. So anytime you have redness, skin feels dry, or if you make your mom put on something that makes her skin tingle, I rub. So can you put just a little layer of this on top as well? So first, you're going to put the collagen lifting eye cream by TT, and you just press it like this. Product comes out, and then you're gonna roll it. You can roll it on your hands like this. Yeah, niche and upper, a little bit upper, but mostly niche. What are you doing, Mama? What are you doing? No, it's like this. Look up. So then you put too much of it. Cutie, look here. You put it. अभी बंद नहीं कर रही हूँ आने. So I'll put it. This is too close to your leg. It shouldn't come here, but my.
I love it. Oh my god, this is so nice. What is this?
Okay. Another thing that I bought with you when you were standing right there, we went to watch this really awful movie called Kalki. I don't know why we did that to ourselves. And we kept sitting till the intermission, because my sister said that it will eventually get better. Like that. That's what she had read. Or by intermission, we were like, we're gonna cut her wrist. So we left the movie, and then we went to a Korean place which you didn't buy Uncle, but Mom's put a little too much of it, a little less. But I do love this eye cream.
Oh my god! It's cooling. And it just sort of goes on refreshing and just glides over your eyes. I love it. It's so good. I love it.
Or take it, I guess, if you really like it. Actually, take it more.
Oh, I love it.
Take it. Okay. And now this is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. So my lip gets really dry if I don't use it. So this is a great mask. Everybody knows it's another Korean like skincare favorite. I love it. Then you could put like a nice thick layer on your lip, and hydrate your lips as well. Because also lips के नीचे कोई oil glands नहीं होते. It has no way to hydrate. So you need to drink a lot of water and use a nice lip balm. Keep it moisturized. So the lips don't get cracked. And one of my biggest pet peeves, even as a makeup artist,
So
I know. I mean, I don't know if you should be eating it. I don't know, but tasting good, you should be eating it. But as a makeup artist, I always say this. It's really upsetting when I have brides that come in जिनके होंठ chapped होते हैं, pieces are coming off, and they say, "Can you just make it flawless? आप lipstick से flawless कर दें." You cannot do that stuff with makeup. That has to happen with skincare. So lip care is also very important. Exfoliating your lip, hydrating your lip, making sure it's nice and plump and nice and hydrated. No chap, no skin coming off is very important before you apply lipstick. And now,
I feel pampered and I feel like royalty. And my skin is so nourished.
Thanks to
so,
who?
oh my god, I am loving it. It's like जब बहुत आप thirsty हो और आप पूरा दिन पानी ना पिया और आपने फिर suddenly आप पूरा एक like detox मिले और you feel like your पूरी body is like nourished. That's how I feel right now. I feel like my face,
Thanks to who?
my skin feels like amazing.
Thanks to who?
I love it.
Thanks to your child. So this was a little mini Korean skincare tutorial with my mom. और ये routines change करती रहती है. इतने सारे products हैं जो हमने use भी नहीं किए इस routine में. So we're going to keep bringing you more if you guys ask. So please make sure that underneath the video you are liking, you are sharing, comment करें, video के साथ engage करें, हमें बताएं कि हम क्या improve कर सकते हैं और content आपके लिए क्या ला सकते हैं. What would you like to see? I know a lot of you just love to see my mom. So many people say कि आप skincare करें, आप makeup करें. The content is always viral when it comes to my mom. So I'll be doing a lot of videos with her as well. But please let us know what more you'd like to see, even where Korean skincare specifics are concerned. Would you like me to review certain things? Anything and everything can be written in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay positive, be healthy, and I shall be seeing you soon in my next video.
Bye everyone.